25 financial terms every young adult needs to know. This is Beginner Part 1, covering income, taxes, and banking basics. Let's get started. Number 1, income. Money you receive from working, investments, or other sources. This is the starting point of all personal finance. Number 2, gross pay. The total amount you earn before any deductions are taken out. This is the bigger number on your pay stub. Number 3, net pay. The amount you actually take home after taxes and deductions. This is what hits your bank account. Number 4, paycheck. The payment you receive from your employer, typically every 2 weeks or twice a month. And number 5, direct deposit. When your employer sends your paycheck electronically straight into your bank account instead of giving you a paper check. Number 6, tax withholding. Money your employer takes out of each paycheck and sends to the government on your behalf to cover your income taxes. Number 7, W-4. A form you fill out when you start a job that tells your employer how much tax to withhold from your paychecks. And number 8, W-2. A form your employer sends you at the start of each year, showing how much you earned and how much tax was withheld. You need this to file your tax return. Number 9, federal income tax. Tax paid to the U.S. federal government based on how much you earn. The rate increases as your income goes up. Number 10, state income tax. Tax paid to your state government based on your income. Rates vary by state, and some states have no income tax at all. Number 11, FICA. Federal Insurance Contributions Act. The combined Social Security and Medicare taxes taken from your paycheck. You pay 7.65%, and your employer matches it. Number 12, Social Security. A federal program funded by payroll taxes that provides retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. You pay 6.2% of your income toward it. Number 13, Medicare. A federal health insurance program primarily for people 65 and older, funded by a 1.45% payroll tax on your income. Number 14, tax return. The form you file with the IRS each year, reporting your income, deductions, and taxes owed, due every April. Number 15, tax refund. Money the government sends back to you if you paid more in taxes throughout the year than you actually owed. Number 16, filing status. The category you choose on your tax return that determines your tax rates and deductions. Common statuses include single, married filing jointly, and head of household. Number 17, standard deduction. A fixed dollar amount that reduces the income you are taxed on. Most people use this instead of itemizing individual deductions. Number 18, adjusted gross income, or AGI. Your total income minus specific deductions like student loan interest or retirement contributions. AGI determines your eligibility for many tax benefits. Number 19, tax bracket. The range of income that is taxed at a specific rate. The US uses a progressive system with 7 brackets, so higher portions of your income are taxed at higher rates. Number 20, marginal tax rate. The tax rate applied to your last dollar of income. This is not the rate you pay on all your income, only on the portion that falls in your highest bracket. Number 21, checking account. A bank account for everyday spending. You can write checks, use a debit card, and make transfers. Usually earns little or no interest. Number 22, savings account. A bank account designed for storing money you do not need right away. Earns interest over time, though rates vary. Number 23, Debit card. A card linked to your checking account that spends your own money directly. Unlike a credit card, you are not borrowing when you use it. Number 24. Overdraft. When you spend more money than you have in your checking account, causing a negative balance. Number 25. Overdraft fee. A penalty your bank charges when you overdraft your account. Typically, $25 to $35 per transaction, which can add up fast. That's 25 Beginner Financial Terms Part 1. In Part 2, we cover credit, budgeting, and getting started with your money. Subscribe so you don't miss it.